Hello, I'm a MacBook user and I want to show you how to make the subtitle automatically. So the program is VREW. VREW is very powerful program for making subtitle on your video. Okay, at the first, new file. Click and then choose the files, Korean, English, Japanese, Spanish. I'm Korean, so Korean. Okay, here is the loading section, and they analyze the sound on the video. Some second later, here is the clips and subtitle from the sound, and we can change the subtitle here. Anyway, okay, finish. I will do it for you guys. Actually, I want to say English to the global YouTuber friends, but it's hard. Okay, this first part is the advertisement, so you can erase this part, and then from here, and you can click the space.
정보 축적 관리.
Okay, and listen the sound and fix the text.
정보
축적 관리 능력이에요.
관리 능력.
Okay. And then here.
중학교와 고등학교 공부의 가장 큰 차이점 가운데 한 가지가
Okay.
한 가지가 뭐냐면
네.
중학교 때는 범위가 좁기도 하.
Maybe showing like this is enough to you guys. It's not hard. And VREW is very good program for making subtitles. So try to find Googling the VREW and install your computer and using this. It can we can use it in the Apple MacBook and Windows computer. Okay, and really easy. And here the subtitle section, you can change the style of the subtitle like this. I like this one. And after making holdings, and you will send this file to another type of program, Premiere, Final Cut, DaVinci, etc. And you can extract the old videos with the subtitle, and only you can send the text subtitle to the other programs. I think sending other program is good for computer. It's easy, but making total movie with the subtitle in this program is very hard to extracting, because my laptop try too hard. My laptop hard to make that one. Understand? Okay. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will show you later on another program. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.